laptops must be switched off and stowed in your luggage. During the flight, all electronic devices must be switched off when not in use. As a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board. Demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, and your attention is essential as these may differ from any aircraft that you have flown on before. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brace position and location and operation of doors. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now by your cabin crew. Please take a moment to locate the nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High-heeled shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Please now fasten your seatbelt. It must be worn whenever the signs are on, and it is fastened and adjusted like this and opened like this. Seatbelts must be worn whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, but for your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will appear automatically, held in a retainer. Stay in your seat and pull the mask out of the retainer towards you. Place the mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate. Make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There is a whistle and a light for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat. If it does, please do not move it, but let one of your cabin crew know. Devices must be switched off when not being used in flight. Please ensure your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall out and injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright and in the takeoff position, with the armrest down and your table folded away. Window blinds must now be open in preparation for takeoff. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted anywhere whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
Your attention for one moment. In the unlikely event of loss of cabin pressure, please ensure you remove any face coverings before fitting an oxygen mask. Thank you. today's flight. It's my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. Special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you whenever you're seated to keep your seatbelt fastened, and it must be securely fastened when the seatbelt signs are on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. A reminder that smoking, the use of e-cigarettes and vaping is strictly not permitted at any time whilst on board the aircraft. This includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. We will shortly be starting our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on allergens on today's flight, please speak to myself or Lewis. In the Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering a hot breakfast and drinks, and later on in the flight in the Euro Traveller cabin, we'll be offering all customers a light breakfast, snack and drink. For the safety of everyone on board, please ensure you wear your face mask throughout the flight, covering both your nose and your mouth, unless you're actively consuming food and drink. Same also applies if you're resting or sleeping. Please ensure you have your mask fully on. We invite you now to make yourselves at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, do let us know. Do sit back and relax for this very short 55-minute flight. Thank you.